guys, RealMcCoy411 and welcome back to my channel. I have already put my twist in my hair. If you want to know the products I use and when they're coming down and all that stuff, just stay tuned. Stay tuned. And go ahead and subscribe while you're at it before I give you all this information on how I got these juicy twists right here. So go ahead and subscribe and click on that notification bell. And let's get ready to get into the twisting video. Pampered myself, pampered my hair. I shampooed my hair. I deep conditioned my hair with all Shea Moisture products. The black Jamaican castor oil line, and I applied the leave-in, and that's what's going on right now. So I always put like a little plastic bag or something over my head to make sure the leave-in gets into the cuticles on the strands of my hair. So it's getting in there. So what we're gonna do, I doubled up on the bag, honey. My hair is already divided into 4 sections. So we're basically just going to add some vegetable glycerin and the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard, which I've never used. Gotta get on it. I gotta get on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the vegetable glycerin oil to this whole section. Okay, that much. Oh, I love the way this stuff feels going on my hair. A lot of people don't like glycerin, using glycerin. But I love it because it moisturizes my hair and also gives my hair shine. And it's vegetable glycerin, so it's not nothing too harsh. But once again, this is my hair. So you gotta do what you know works for you. Okay? Alright, so we got the vegetable glycerin in. I already detangled my sections. I'm going to go through it again. And we're going to use the twist. Separate this section. So we got this section right here, which I probably can get like 3 twists out of. And I'm going to add the butter to each section. So when you see me, because I'm going to speed up the video, you already know that. I'm going in with the butter. Now the consistency of this butter is creamy. It's got a little thickness to it, but it is creamy. And see how it melts in the hair. Melts very good in the hair. Very good. Very moisturizing. Hint, Shea Moisture. Okay. I think I like it. I think I like it. And I'm just putting in my twist. And I'm going to do that for every section. So I'm going to have a head full of twists. A head full of Sealy twists. And so, vegetable glycerin. Add in the intensive twisting butter. Is it butter? Custard. Add in the twisting custard to each section. And going from there. completely finished twisting my hair. My twists look very juicy. One thing that I'm noticing with this twisting butter is that my hair looks shrunk. Like it don't look as long as it normally is, which is a good thing because shrinkage is good. And they look fuller and they look more thicker, and I like them. I mean, I think the Shea Moisture, this and this vegetable glycerin is going to give me a very good twist out, and we will know that in a day or so, because that's when I'll come back and take it down. Look, guys, look how juicy they look. Just juicy. And they all coiled at the end. This one, yeah. I don't know which way I got it going. Yeah. What, Candy? So, you guys stay tuned. And then the next video clip, I will be taking them down and we'll be doing a twist out and rocking it. And that's the way it's just gonna be. Baby, baby, baby. I got bars. Stop, Candy. Okay. I'm gonna go give me some rest. Because you probably can tell I am kind of tired. But the pampering of myself and my hair, it really relaxes me. And I'm gonna go relax. Alright? See y'all in a sec. To be honest. This by far is the most nourished twist out I've had. It feels so nourished. The glycerin, the twist and define, the shampoo, all of it worked together for my good. Yes, it did. Thank you, Lord. So, I'm getting ready to take these twists out. I don't even have to take twists out. I can wear them another day. But, I'm going to take them out. Because I want to see how it looks. I want to see how it looks. Try not to frown. Try not to frown. But I want to see how it looks when I take them down. They are so juicy. And y'all know I don't wear much makeup, so don't come for me. Don't do it. Let's put some wine on. Put some wine on. Just a little bit. Just a little bit is all it takes for me. I'm going to put some glycerin on my hands. Just a little bit. And go down my twist. Have it on my hand for when I take down my twist. I mean, just look at that. The shrinkage is there, which means healthy hair. Oh, I feel so pretty. Yeah, and they're defined. And they're not hard, because I don't have any kind of gel on it. I just use the Twist and Define Cream Custard by Shea Moisture. I use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, which I had never opened the twisting cream. But you know, you get around this stuff. You get around to it. Everything's going to be open once, twice. 12 months worth. I paid for it. So you may easily see some repeat videos of products easily. Oh, just look at that. Just, just, just looking, just looking, paying a little attention to the definition, the shine. My hair is completely dry. Completely dry. It just feels so soft. Oh, look at that one. Oh, all by itself, all long and stuff. All long and stuff. Look at that. Oh, meow, 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 meow. I'm in a goofy mood this morning, and I know that's gonna last all day long. Just the way I go to sleep, the way I wake up, is the way I be all day long. If I went to sleep laughing at something funny on TV, I wake up in a good mood. I was tired yesterday. I was tired when I filmed it yesterday. So forgive me. Forgive me. Oh, Candy. What do you want, Candy? What do you want? Oh, look at uh, making sure I got them all. Nope. Which one? I still feel like I'm missing some. You can't tell because of the definition. It's like, the definition is just like, oh my gosh, you know. Oh. And I don't think I'm going to do anything with it. I'm going to leave it curly. I'm going to leave the definition and everything just the way it is. Let me see how to back it. Oops. Gotta pick that up. Oh, yeah. I want it just like this. I'm not going to pick with it. I'm not going to mess with it. This is, look at that. Look at that jump back. Oh. Jump back. Jump back. Jump back. Jump back. Hope I haven't missed any. But, anywho. So that concludes this video because I'm not going to mess with this at all. This is going to stay just as cute as a little muffin. Just cute as a little muffin. Yes, it is. I got a little frizz right here. I don't know why. I got a little frizz right there. But ain't going to be no more frizz because I'm not going to mess with it. So, once again, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. I, the real McCoy, am on a natural hair journey from Maine to Spain. You see what I'm saying? And I want you to follow me. I sound like Johnny Cochran. Okay. Follow me on my natural hair journey. Click that red subscribe button. Click that bell icon. Select all. And keep God first in everything you do. And I do mean everything. And I will see you guys in my next video, which may be another Shea Moisture video, because I think I may make this month Shea Moisture month. I gotta use these products, y'all. I gotta use them. I don't know how they all gonna turn out. Some of them can be a fluke. I don't know. But we ain't gonna know until we try. So I gotta use that corner over there. That's all Shea Moisture in that cabinet over there. Yeah. Plenty of footage. Plenty of footage. Bye.